Hey friends, here walking you through how to make a cup or catching utensil from a piece of paper. So you'll need a piece of paper. I've got 2 pieces of tape already cut, ready to go. And what we're going to do is basically we are going to take our paper, we are going to roll it kind of diagonally. All right. And as you could see, all right, depending on how I turn it, it gets smaller, or if I turn it more sideways, okay, I can have a bigger thing to catch. All right. And then all I need to do is tape. So I have my tape ready. I'm going to show you. There's this little piece that's sticking off. Okay. I'm going to hold that down, put some tape on it so that it stays put. All right. And now I have something I can catch with. Okay. Got my ball, toss up. There you go. Have fun.